As I told you in my US cash session analysis, below 32,000 you can expect a sharp drop in US30. Likewise, below 12,400 we can expect 12 to 40, 12 to 100 levels. All the targets achieved. I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. The next analysis will be up before the US cash session. And yes, missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on to profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. First we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Let's start the day. Do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels also. Now these are the hourly charts on US 100. See one thing, this was the channel, it breached the channel, dropped sharply, and see how is the classical moves. US 100 is showing retracement, sharp drop, retracement, drop, and now the move size is diminished, indicating at some point it must try to reverse from here. The reversal confirmation now again is if it trade sustains about 12,600, you can consider that it is trying to reverse. Then I look forward to 12,800 is the next resistance zone, which is going to be the next stronger resistance zone rather. And now let's come back to the nearby charts. See, these candles also you must observe lower lows it has given before it started to reverse here, and now it is trying to trade again outside this channel. The support there now at 12,340 levels. It has created a base out there, and after that it breached and now trying to trade with a rise. See, 12,400 is a good resistance. It is trying to trade above this. The next target is 12,450. So till 12,440, 12,450. If you recall, yesterday also I told 12,440, 12,450 is the good resistance level. And now it is going to be the resistance again on the upside. Previously it was a support for the downside move. I will watch out for if it sustains about 12,450. You can consider that it may try to hit 12,500 levels also. Now this is just on the hourly charts. Let's have a further detailed look. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic on the hourly charts is now overbought here, but the MACD has crossed over and it has come back to the bullish zone. Till the time it crosses back again, we can remain bullish. RSI is looking upwards here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, rise, drop, rise. See but the move, the scale of drop has diminished here before it started to retrace, and hence it indicates at some point it must try to reverse now. And whether it has seen the bottom or not, that is the question. If it continues to trade below 12,600, you can consider that we are looking for another drop today. So probably beyond 12,450 you can take a long entry, but remember 12,480, 12,500 is a very good resistance. Sustaining about 12,500 and 12,550, only consider that it is going to act bullish, else it can again drop, or it may again drop. We have seen lower lows in the previous candles and it may fall back into this zone. Below 12,200 it will call for a very strong drop for 11,900. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD has just crossed over again, and this is the first green candle here. RSI looking upwards on the 2-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too, after the good drop till 12 to 40, it is trying to rise. See if it fails to break past, and now I will look forward to a move where it can break past 12 to 40, 12 to 12,440, 12,450 zone. If it breaks past 12,440, 12,450, you can expect that we may see 12,480 levels at the resistance, 12,480, 12,520. These levels you should watch out for. Very strong resistance zone lies here. Previously we have seen consolidating here. We may see it getting resistance here, and then it may try to break from here. Possibility exists. Only beyond 12,600 I will consider that as a bullish move, and then we can remain bullish from there. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has hit a bottom, trying to rise, and from there it can again converge and drop possibly. If it is bearish, MACD has just crossed over, it is divergent. RSI is sloping upwards and looking or giving a feel of little bullishness there. Look at the 4-hour charts. See, this was the channel it created, then a sharp drop, lower lows, and now it is trying to create a channel. The resistance there, here it appears at around 12,420 levels, which it is failing to break past by, and then beyond that 12,440, 12,450 zone you should watch out for. 12,500, then 12,480 and 12,520. See, till 12,520 we have a little resistance, then 12,550 and 12,600. Only about 12,600 I will consider it as reversal, else it is just a retracement. till 12,600 you can again take a short entry, and then it may continue with the drop and achieve 12,200 also. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. It has hit a bottom. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI is looking upwards again. Likewise on the daily charts, as I told you yesterday, the pivot here at 12,500, it has seen higher highs, it has seen lower lows, and if you count the move from there 12,500 to 12,250, almost 250 points on the upside, it has lot much to cover. 12,650 or close to 12,600 plus levels already it has seen. Now it has to get another 150 points. The reversal confirmation is only about 12,600. If it stays about 12,600, you can consider that as bullish. Also see this. This is getting the support from the 100 period moving average today. Yesterday it tried to breach this, failed to sustain. But at the same time, the yesterday's move has also given an expansion to the Bollinger Bands. Previously it was trading within these Bollinger Bands. Now the support of the Bollinger Bands will come out at 12,200 levels. So for the day, yes, I will recommend you to go long about 12,450, go short below 12,350. Remember, about 12,450 it has good resistance at 12,480, 12,500, 12,520. These three levels you should watch out for. Then 12,550 the next, and 12,600. Above 12,600 you can remain bullish. On the downside, below 12,350 you can again go short. Then this time you can expect 12,300 as the first target, and then 12,240 and 200. This time it must achieve 12,200, and breaking below and sustaining below 12,200 it will call for more bearishness. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is bearish. RSI is at bottom. Considering this, go long about 12,450, go short below 12,350. In between these 100 points, exercise caution, refrain from taking position. Till 12,600 you should be very alert. Even if you have taken a long entry at 12,450, you have to trade with the stop loss and trail the stop loss out there. On the downside, till 12,200 you have to be cautious, and below 12,200 it will call for a very strong drop. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you are interested into mentorship and training, if you want to earn profits from market, read the markets carefully, you can join my mentorship batch. Invest in your learning first. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. 15 days training, it is 90 minutes daily live webinars, and lifetime support is what you get. So do join the mentorship. Also, you can be part of my Patreon membership, where one is the support tier. You can support my effort on YouTube. Every contribution counts, though it is very paltry contribution, but definitely it is a motivation for me. Do become Patreon. And yes, the next tier is where you get all the maximum benefits, where you get the support, where you get the direction, where you can discuss with me and decide the direction of this, and also you will get the signals there. So do join that tier. Now US30 on the hourly charts, breaking below the resistance at 31,800, trading above 31,800. It is trying to act bullish now. The next resistance it will get is at around 31,950 levels, and then 32,000. Sustaining beyond 32,000 it will call for the bulls out there. Also, it is trying to create a base at 31,850 levels. Rather, now I will say only below 31,800 I will recommend you to go short. Else, till the time it trades above 31,800, probably it is trying to reverse and retrace a little. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought now on the hourly charts, and the MACD has also crossed over and it is divergent and it is bullish. Let's see if it gives you further greener candles from here. RSI 2 is looking upwards now. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, see, you must observe, after this much of consolidation, only this much of bearish move indicates that the bearishness is definitely diminishing, and now it is trying to reverse a little. The resistance there at 32,000, 32,050 is strong. Only if it breaks beyond this, you can expect 32,200 level to provide a resistance. Beyond that, it will fly for 32,500 and below levels. Consider a reversal only if it trades beyond 32,200, 300 zone. Else, right now it is trying to reverse, but this should be considered a retracement till it trades below 32,200 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is willing to cross over for a bullish move. It is right on the sell side. RSI is trading flat with a little bullish slope. Look at the 3-hour charts. This is the third green candle. It may retrace till here, 32,050 levels. Possibility exists even 32 200 it can achieve, and from there again it may start to drop. Only good short entry confirmation is below 31,800 levels. Only if it sustains below 31,800, consider that as a bearish move. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is willing to cross over for a bullish move. Right now it is on the sell side. RSI is sloping upwards. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, these two candles, lower highs and higher lows. So it is trying to create a channel on its own. If you consider the channel's high, the 32,050 levels, 32,000 levels is the good resistance. Yes, you can stay long at 31 with the stop loss at 31,800 for now, but then 32,050 levels it may achieve. Till the time it trades below 32,200, you can consider it as still bearish, and it may drop from those levels. So in between these levels, 31,700, 31,200, 32,200, it may trade sideways. It may try to consolidate in between these levels. 31,600 another good support. So possibly, yes, achieving 32,000, 32,050 levels, it can again try to drop from there. Possibility exists. Now let's have a further look here. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is at bottom, MACD willing to converge, RSI trying to come out of the oversold zones. And looking at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Look at the previous two candles. What did it draw? Higher highs, lower lows. The pivot there at around 32,100 and 32,200 level. This is also 100 period moving average. Remember, this is the first red candle after a little retracement. This is the first red candle. Possibility exists that it may give you second red candle, and this time a second red candle means a bigger move, and then it may try to drop till towards 31,400 also. Possibility exists. So till the time it trades below 32,050 and 32,200, do not consider that as bullish. Only if it trades above 32,050 and 32,200 zone, you can consider that as a bullish move. Right now with the stop loss at 31,800, it may try to rise. I will look forward to 32,000, 32,050 levels, and from there we will see how it behaves. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold. MACD is white, divergent and bearish. It must start to converge. See, it has seen the bottom out there. It must start to converge, means some greenery should be there. RSI is near to bottom. So considering this, first thing is, do not go short unless till the time US30 is above 31,800. Only short entry if you see US30 trading below 31,800 levels. Below that, you can expect a good drop again till towards 31,600 and 31,400 levels. On the upside, yes, you can go long above 31,930, 940 levels. Beyond that, 32,000 is the first target, and then 32,050 is the next target. 32,100 is the third target. Beyond that, 32,200, 32,300 levels should come into picture. See, I always give you plus minus points because markets will not be the one. Yes, though mostly it tries to respect my levels and perfectly it tries to achieve these levels, but still consider these as round figure. Plus minus 10, 20 always be the error part of it. So you have to consider these points, and that is why I say in between 32,200 and 300 is the zone you should watch out for. Beyond successfully trading above this zone, consider that as reversal. You can stay long for a little while, and then you can expect it to head high on the upside. So take your trades accordingly. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic oversold. We have already seen. Go long above 31,940, 930 zone, and go short below 31,800 levels. In between these 100, 150 points, exercise caution. Also remember 32,000 and 32,050 levels. These levels, if it breaks 32,100 is the next target. It can reverse any point of time till these levels. Only successfully trading above 32,200, you can consider that it is trying to give you little bullish momentum. Till the time it trades below 32,200, I will not consider that as a bullish reversal. Take your trades accordingly. Trade profitably. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.